thunderstorm warning for Switzerland County, Central Carroll County, Western Gallatin County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madison, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
A weather warning has been issued for your area. Be aware of possible impacts and remain alert for further updates from the National Weather Service.
Fairview, Ghent, Sparta, Patriot,
A weather warning has been issued for your area. Be aware of possible impacts and remain alert for further updates from the National Weather Service.
Markland, Moorfield, and Kirkus Grove. This includes I-71 in Kentucky near mile marker 45, in between mile marker 60 and 64.